attended the first ever British Museum Ball in London on Saturday, October 18. The Rolling Stones frontman arrived with his longtime partner, ballet dancer Melanie Hamrick, whom he has been with since 2014. The couple welcomed their son, Deveraux, in 2016. The event drew a star-studded crowd that included the Ambani family, Sacha Baron Cohen, Chiwetel Ejiofor, Steve McQueen, and Naomi Campbell, as well as two of Jagger's former partners, including his ex-wife. Among them was model and actress Jerry Hall, who began dating Jagger in 1977. The pair had 4 children together and even held a Hindu wedding ceremony in Bali in 1990, which was later ruled invalid. Their relationship ended in 1999. Jerry later married media tycoon Rupert Murdoch in 2016, before their separation in 2022. At the ball, she was seen arriving with their eldest daughter, Elizabeth. The night seemed to hold a warm sense of nostalgia, as Jagger and Hall were photographed greeting one another affectionately and posing for pictures together. Jagger also took photos with their daughter during the event. Another familiar face present was Bianca Perez Mora Macias, better known as Bianca Jagger, who was married to the musician from 1971 to 1978, before their marriage ended over his infidelity. Now 80, Bianca turned heads at the ball in a striking white zoot suit. She and Jagger didn't appear to interact during the evening. The former couple share one daughter, Jade, now 53, who has built a successful career as a jewelry and home designer after her early days in modeling. Jagger's extended family also includes his eldest child, Karis, born in 1970 to singer Marsha Hunt, and his son, Lucas, born in 1999 from his relationship with Brazilian model Luciana Gimenez. Melanie Hamrick, who confirmed earlier this year that she and Jagger have actually been secretly engaged for several years, once described her ring as a symbolic promise rather than a traditional engagement piece. When asked in a 2023 People interview whether marriage was in her plans, she admitted she preferred to live in the moment and let the future unfold naturally. She also spoke about her experience collaborating creatively with Jagger, noting that while she enjoys it, she prefers to keep their professional lives separate. According to her, maintaining that balance helps preserve both their relationship and their individuality. She pointed out that working and living together constantly can be overwhelming, so having space and outside perspectives helps keep things grounded. When it comes to their son, Melanie occasionally shares glimpses of motherhood on social media, but generally keeps family life private. She explained that if social media didn't exist, the public wouldn't know much about anyone's personal life, so she prefers to treat it that way, sharing only what